Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be looking at the Wrap widget. I've already deleted the boilerplate app and I've created this. So far we've just got an app bar with a title, children of some row, and its children are chips, and essentially it's just a list of widgets that has got some chips in it. So if we come back over here and we look at our emulator, you'll see that the chips have gone off screen and we get an overflow error, and so this is where our wrap comes in. And essentially the wrap widget is just like a regular row or column, but what it does is it lays out its children, and then if it's going to overflow its boundaries, it will lay them in the column below. So as you can see here, instead of going all the way off the screen, it goes onto the next one and next one, etc, etc. So the next thing we can do is we can add some spacing, because as you see over here, these ones are all huddled up. So we can add some spacing and we'll give that 8.0, and we hot reload and you'll see now that they have spacing. And if we wanted to change the run spacing, which is how much is between them, and put that to 20.0, you'll see now that they're much further spaced out than before. We can also change the direction that our widget wraps the children. We can do that. We just change the direction by giving it a different axis. Vertical. So we hot reload and we come over to our emulator. You'll see that now it has spaced them out vertically along the length of the phone. And so yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment and I'll see you around.